Hello and welcome back to Shannon Series. If you are new to this channel, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more amazing videos. Humans have been battling viruses since before our species had evolved to its modern form. For some viral diseases, vaccines and antiviral drugs allowed us to keep infections from spreading and helped sick people recover. For one disease, smallpox, we've been able to eradicate it, ridding the world of new cases. But we're a long way from winning the fight against viruses. In recent decades, several viruses have jumped from animals to humans and triggered sizable outbreaks, claiming thousands of lives. The viral strain that drove the 2014 to 2016 Ebola outbreak in West Africa kills up to 90% of the people it infects, making it the most lethal member of the Ebola family. But there are other viruses out there that are equally deadly, and some that are even deadlier, such as the novel coronavirus currently driving outbreaks around the globe, have lower fatality rates, but still pose a serious threat to public health as we don't yet have the means to combat them. For today's video, we are going to show you the top 10 deadliest viruses on Earth, based on the likelihood that a person will die if they are infected with one of them, the sheer numbers of the people they have killed, and whether they represent a growing threat. Number 10. Rotavirus. Rotavirus is a virus that causes diarrhea and other intestinal symptoms. It's very contagious and is the most common cause of diarrhea for infants and young children. If you look at the virus through a microscope, it has a round shape. The virus got its name from the Latin word rota, which means wheel. Rotavirus causes inflammation in the stomach and intestines. It can cause severe diarrhea, vomiting, fever, belly pain, and dehydration in infants, young children, and some adults. According to WHO in 2013, about 215,000 children aged under 5 die each year from rotavirus infections. The vast majority of these children live in low-income countries. Medications can help with the symptoms, but there's no cure for the rotavirus. Even children who have been vaccinated against it may get it more than once. Number 9. Dengue. Dengue is a mosquito-borne viral disease that has rapidly spread in all regions of WHO in recent years. The virus is transmitted by female mosquitoes, mainly of the species Aedes aegypti, and, to a lesser extent, Albopictus. These mosquitoes are also vectors of chikungunya, yellow fever, and Zika viruses. Dengue is widespread throughout the tropics, with local variations in risk influenced by rainfall, temperature, relative humidity, and unplanned rapid urbanization. Dengue causes a wide spectrum of disease. This can range from subclinical disease, people may not know they are even infected, to severe flu-like symptoms in those infected. Although less common, some people develop severe dengue, which can be any number of complications associated with severe bleeding, organ impairment, and/or plasma leakage. Severe dengue has a higher risk of death when not managed appropriately. It was first recognized in the 1950s during dengue epidemics in the Philippines and Thailand. Today, severe dengue affects most Asian and Latin American countries and has become a leading cause of hospitalization and death among children and adults. One modeling estimate indicates 390 million dengue virus infections per year, or 95% credible interval of 284 to 528 million, of which 96 million manifest clinically with any severity of disease. Another study estimates that 3.9 billion people are at risk of infection with dengue viruses. Despite a risk of infection existing in 129 countries, 70% of the actual burden is in Asia. The number of dengue cases reported to WHO increased over 8-fold over the last 2 decades, from 505,430 cases in the year 2000 to over 2.4 million in 2010 and 4.2 million in 2019. Reported deaths between the year 2000 and 2015 increased from 960 to 4,032. Vaccination should be considered as part of an integrated dengue prevention and control strategy. There's an ongoing need to adhere to other disease preventive measures, such as well-executed and sustained vector control. Individuals, whether vaccinated or not, should seek prompt medical care if dengue-like symptoms occur. Number 8. Influenza. Seasonal influenza is an acute respiratory infection caused by influenza viruses which circulate in all parts of the world. There are 4 types of seasonal influenza viruses, types A, B, C, and D. Influenza A and B viruses circulate and cause seasonal epidemics of disease. Seasonal influenza is characterized by a sudden onset of fever, cough, usually dry, headache, muscle and joint pain, severe malaise or feeling unwell, sore throat, and a runny nose. The cough can be severe and can last 2 or more weeks. Most people recover from fever and other symptoms within a week without requiring medical attention. But influenza can cause severe illness or death, especially in people at high risk. Illnesses range from mild to severe and even death. Hospitalization and death occur mainly among high-risk groups. Worldwide, these annual epidemics estimate to result in about 3 to 5 million cases of severe illness and 290,000 to 650,000 respiratory deaths. The most deadly flu pandemic, sometimes called the Spanish flu, began in 1918 and sickened up to 40% of the world's population, killing an estimated 50 million people. Number 7. Marburg virus. Marburg virus is a highly virulent disease that causes hemorrhagic fever with a fatality ratio of up to 88%. It's in the same family as the virus that causes Ebola virus. 2 large outbreaks that occurred simultaneously in Marburg and Frankfurt in Germany and in Belgrade, Serbia in 1967 led to the initial recognition of the disease. The outbreak was associated with a laboratory work using African green monkeys imported from Uganda. Subsequently, outbreaks and sporadic cases have been reported in Angola, Democratic Republic of the Congo, Kenya, South Africa, and Uganda. In 2008, 2 independent cases were reported in travelers who visited a cave inhabited by Rosetta's bat colonies in Uganda. Human infection with Marburg virus initially results from prolonged exposure to mines or caves inhabited by Rosetta's bat colonies. Once an individual is infected with the virus, Marburg can spread through human-to-human transmission via direct contact through broken skin or mucous membranes, with the blood, secretions, organs, or other bodily fluids of infected people, and with surfaces and materials contaminated with these fluids. There is yet no proven treatment available for this disease. However, a range of potential treatments, including blood products, immune therapies, and drug therapies, are currently being evaluated. Number 6. Hantavirus. Hantavirus pulmonary syndrome is an infectious disease characterized by flu-like symptoms that can progress rapidly to potentially life-threatening breathing problems. They are carried by several types of rodents, particularly the deer mouse. You become infected primarily by breathing air infected with hantaviruses that are shed in rodent urine and droppings. Hantavirus pulmonary syndrome can quickly become life-threatening. As the lungs fill with fluid, breathing becomes more and more difficult. Blood pressure drops and organs begin to fail, particularly the heart. Depending on the strain, the mortality rate for the North American variety can be more than 30%. Because treatment options are limited, the best protection against hantavirus pulmonary syndrome is to avoid rodents and their habitats. Number 5. SARS-CoV. Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome, or SARS, first appeared in 2002 in the Guangdong province of southern China, according to the WHO. The virus likely emerged in bats initially, then hopped into nocturnal animals called civets before finally infecting humans. After triggering an outbreak in China, SARS spread to 26 countries around the world, infecting more than 8,000 people and killing more than 770 over the course of 2 years. The disease causes fever, chills, and body aches, and often progresses to pneumonia, a severe condition in which the lungs become inflamed and fill with pus. SARS has an estimated mortality rate of 9.6% and, as of yet, has no approved treatment or vaccine. However, no new cases of SARS have been reported since the early 2000s, according to the CDC. Number 4. SARS-CoV-2. SARS-CoV-2 belongs to the same family of viruses as SARS-CoV, known as coronavirus, and was first identified in December 2019 in the Chinese city of Wuhan. The virus likely originated in bats, like SARS-CoV, and passed through an intermediate animal before infecting people. Since its appearance, the virus has infected tens of thousands of people in China and thousands of others worldwide. The ongoing outbreak prompted an extensive quarantine of Wuhan and nearby cities, restrictions on travel to and from affected countries, and a worldwide effort to develop diagnostics, treatment, and vaccines. The disease caused by SARS-CoV-2, called COVID-19, has an estimated mortality rate of about 2.3%, with a total of 109 million cases and 2.4 million deaths worldwide. People who are older or have underlying health conditions seem to be the most at risk of having severe disease or complications. Common symptoms include fever, dry cough, and shortness of breath, and the disease can progress to pneumonia in severe cases. Number 3. Rabies. Rabies is a virus that attacks the central nervous system. It's found only in mammals. Human cases of the virus are extremely rare in the United States, but if not treated before symptoms appear, it's deadly. Rabies has the highest mortality rate, 99.9%, of any disease on Earth. The key is to get treated right away if you think you've been exposed to an animal that has rabies. The vaccine of rabies was introduced in the 1920s. Even though we have a strong vaccine against rabies and antibodies that work against it, it is still a dangerous disease. Normally, rabies is spread through a deep bite or scratch from an infected animal. In the United States, rabies is mostly found in wild animals like coyotes, raccoons, skunks, bats, and foxes, but nearly all humans infected with the virus got it from pet dogs. The best way to avoid getting rabies is to have your pets vaccinated. Number 2. HIV. Human immunodeficiency virus, or HIV, is a virus that attacks cells that help the body fight infection, making a person more vulnerable to other infections and diseases. First identified in 1981, HIV is the cause of one of humanity's deadliest and most persistent epidemics. It is spread by contact by certain bodily fluids of a person with HIV, most commonly during unprotected sex or sex without a condom, or through sharing injection drug equipment. If left untreated, HIV can lead to the disease acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, or AIDS. The human body can't get rid of HIV, and no effective HIV cure exists. So, once you have HIV, you have it for life. However, by taking HIV medicine, called antiretroviral therapy, or ART, people with HIV can live long and healthy lives and help prevent transmitting HIV to their sexual partners. In addition, there are effective methods to prevent getting HIV through sex or drug use, including pre-exposure prophylaxis or post-exposure prophylaxis. Number 1. Ebola. Ebola is a rare but deadly virus that causes fever, body aches, and diarrhea, and sometimes bleeding inside and outside the body. As the virus spreads through the body, it damages the immune system and organs. Ultimately, it causes levels of blood clotting cells to drop. This leads to severe, uncontrollable bleeding. The disease known as Ebola hemorrhagic fever, but is now referred to as Ebola virus. And it kills up to 90% of the people who are infected. The virus was first discovered in 1976 near the Ebola River in what is now the Democratic Republic of Congo. Since then, the virus has been infecting people from time to time, leading to outbreaks in several African countries. Scientists do not know where Ebola virus comes from. However, based on the nature of similar viruses, they believe the virus is animal-borne, with bats or non-human primates, such as chimpanzees, apes, monkeys, etc., being the most likely source. Infected animals carrying the virus can transmit it to other animals like apes, monkeys, and humans. Until now, there's no cure for Ebola. And that's the top 10 deadliest viruses on Earth. I hope you enjoyed and learned something new. Don't forget to smash the like and subscribe button and hit the notification bell to be the first to know of our new videos. Stay healthy! See you next time!